I managed to get a bath last night. That was nice. And I got everything sprayed down with concrobium that I could reach from the spaces that I opened up. There is one slat missing near the bottom of the tub, like here. Looks like I need to clean the lens. Hold on. There you go. It didn't help. Oh well, we tried. So I really want to get the rest of the way to the ceiling here. Not all the way that way, like somewhere around here. So I brought up some cement tools to keep cutting things down. And I brought up a big box. And that'll be to protect the tub. The reason I covered the tub yesterday's work was because I didn't want any tiles falling down and chipping it, but it also kept things out of the drain and such, so that was nice too. So I'm gonna do that again. Kind of like, hopefully keep going. Got this. Got one of those impact chisels. This is from my grandfather. I think this is from my grandfather too. Should be enough to get the rest of the drywall off. Yep. Okay, see you in fast mode. Okay, let's have a closer look again. You saw me using a long chisel to get down along there. And you saw me, something I've been doing with this little blue chisel or pry bar rather, and the hammer is putting the teeth over it and then banging it down, because it gets the claws underneath the drywall. Sometimes the head still just snaps off. And honestly, with the little pry bar I do have, these nails are too far out. I'm going to have to go locate my bigger pry bar, I think. But that's okay. So I got the whole way up, which is nice. I want to back out in there. And when I pulled this top down, it just coughed black powder out. So I'm guessing that was more mold spores, and so I'm really glad I did that. I don't know how much skill I have to get the whole way up there or not, but I'd like to. And I need to get these nails out. And then something I did last night is this pressure sprayer, which still has about a third of it in there, and this stuff. This is concrobium, which worked in my basement. It leaves the stains. So this is sprayed, it's still stained, of course. When it comes in contact with fresh mold, I noticed it foams. It fizzles and foams. So from like here up, I need to do that. I want to get up in there. Did not successfully get this off. I probably still could. And then I want to cut up here, because I think from here over, I was not getting any mold from this spot over. So, I think that's good. I'm gonna try and spray up into that alcove, and then there's an opening all along here where I could spray into. So once I get all these edges tidied up, that is the next area of attack. However, I do want to go get my Dremel and my flywheel. I'm leaning really far here, and cut these, because this just continues down the wall, and some of these are really bad, and this is a mold sandwich, especially right here, but probably the whole way. So since I know I won't be getting in there in the bedroom at least until spring, because you don't want to open up mold powder into your living space when there's nowhere for it to go. At least I've been able to run a fan and spray it down. And wintertime gets cold around here most days. It warms up sometimes. I guess I could do it on a warm day. But it looks like more gutting is advisable. Except for where the tile was leaking down, which you can literally see the seam where that was, how it's so dark there. Except for those areas, this backing is in really good shape. Except for the areas where tub damage has been ongoing since they put the bathroom in, basically, whenever it was that family put the bathroom in. Here's an example of heavier mold damage and what concrobium does. It lightens the wood and kind of crystallizes it. I think that's good.
takes really good care of it, I think, because it basically turns it into semi-stone at a certain point. So these areas that did have mold, just gotta spray them down really, really good, because this whole chamber here was just full of black mold. Probably should wipe the electrical too. But yeah, I mean, probably eventually need to do the ceiling. The good news is it's backed with lath as well. The reason that's such good news is because up there it's loose insulation on this side, which was kind of stupid on my part, but what can you do? If I need to shovel it out at some point, I will. That's what's next. So I will see you in a video with either the Dremel or the Concrobium or both, but I'm gonna do some cleanup of this stuff, and at least the garbage, because I did not bother to put it in a trash bag this time, my bad. And then get up there and get some nails out to flesh the area out. Oh, I did want to show you this funny thing. Isn't that cute? I suspect this might have just been the walls in the original house, because the house is older than drywall is. Drywall didn't exist. In which case, someday I might strip it back, Concrobium fog into the openings, and then instead of insulating, like by stripping everything out, I might fill insulate from the inside. That'd be a nice look. Have most of the house like that. I would enjoy that, but we'll see what the other rooms look like. But there's definitely more black mold getting up that way, because it was in between. And it clearly predated the bathroom, which makes me wonder when this bathroom went in. Maybe it was the 40s. Anyway, hope you're having a really good day. Hope your day doesn't involve any black mold. And I will talk to you soon. Thanks for cliffhanging inside the bathroom lately. Obviously, it's what I'm up to. Sorry for the wheezy noise. I know, it's probably a little annoying. I didn't notice it in recording until I was editing, so it's going to be a thing, because I'm not risking my health just for you not hearing a whistle. So, yeah, so bathroom stuff's going to be it for a little bit here, at least this week. And I will continue to sponge bath until it's done. It's not too bad. So, I hope you're having a really good day. Please like, share, subscribe. If you think somebody has mold and they need to know about this stuff, it's at Home Depot and anywhere like that. A gallon jug is $37, but I got most of the room treated with a sprayer. You can also, for 20 bucks, rent a fogger that you just leave run for about an hour in the room, and it fogs the room, and it uses less. So that's an option too. Alright, well, I hope you're having a really good day. Thanks so much for visiting the cliffside. Can you see it? It's out there. Thanks, cliffhangers. Bye.